I got a new toilet cleaner. I'm thrilled. It's from Active, and they actually sent it to me in exchange for telling you about it. And so far, I absolutely love it. It's a new product, so I haven't had it for a month yet. I've had it for a couple weeks. And basically, the way it works is that you drop one of the tablets, which looks like this. It's about 2.5 inches, almost 3 inches across, and about 3/4 of an inch thick. So it's bigger than a lot of the ones that I've seen, but it fits down into your tank at the back. It works in any toilet as long as it has a tank on it. So it can't be used in a tankless toilet. And it just, when you put it in, you're supposed to wear gloves when you're handling it. I'm not touching it, as you can see, but put it into the back of the tank and make sure it's not touching any of the internal stuff, none of the metal rods or the plastic pieces, and just set it off to the side. Go ahead and use just a regular brush, the toilet brush, and do a loose, kind of knock the worst of it off, and put this in the tank, and then wait 30 to 60 minutes before you flush it for the first time. And then it will start to turn the water blue. It has a really actually very fresh smell, which kind of surprised me. I don't know why. It should have, but I didn't anticipate it having much of a scent. And it's a very fresh scent. So I love that. The box actually has 12 of them in it, which is great. I also love that. And it is made so that it will last up to 300 flushes or 30 days. So depending on how often you flush the toilet as to how long it will last. It's really easy to use. I love that. And it's great for hard water stains, which I have hard water, so I'm thrilled about that. And it will keep your toilet pretty clean between the deep cleaning. So basically the way that I am planning on doing this is every 30 days when I go to put the new tablet in, I'm going to do the deep cleaning, then put the new tablet in. And it's supposed to make it so that the deep cleanings aren't going to be the major ordeal that they are for me, because I hate cleaning toilets. It's just something that's the worst job in the house as far as I'm concerned. So it's supposed to make it much easier to do those cleanings. So that's what my plan is. There's a year's worth here if it is once every 30 days or so. So I'm in good shape. I'm really excited to be using these.